Afternoon. Thanks for joining us. I'm Angie Wynn. We continue to receive new data on the measles outbreak across West Texas. 36 new cases have been confirmed since Tuesday, bringing the total number to 541. One new county has reported a case, El Paso. The State Health Services Department reports 56 people have been hospitalized, and that is not the current number of people there, but the state reports 2 school-aged children with measles have died. According to the state, both children had not received their measles vaccine and had no reported underlying conditions. We received these updates from the state on Tuesdays and Fridays. The report now specifies fewer than 30 of the confirmed cases are estimated to be actively infectious.